Are you ready to take your fitness to new heights? Introducing the KAKICLAY 2023 Upgrade Multi-Grip Pull-Up Bar with Smart Larger Hooks technology. Get ready to revolutionize your workout routine with its ergonomic design. The KAKICLAY Pull-Up Bar provides you with the ultimate grip and comfort. No more blisters or discomfort on your hands. This pull-up bar is engineered for excellence. The foam grip is soft, durable, and non-slip, ensuring a secure hold. Plus, it features a raised bar, perfect for taller individuals. Say goodbye to awkward workouts. But what sets the KAKICLAY 2023 apart is its innovative multi-grip options. The upper bar is divided into 4 small ones, with angled grip ends. You can choose a shoulder-width grip or a close grip. It's like having a personal trainer at home. And that's not all. We've included suspension straps for maximum workout versatility. Your fitness journey just got a whole lot more exciting. Worried about space? The KAKICLAY pull-up bar is a space-saving marvel. With its multiple foldable design, you can store it in seconds after a convenient training session. We care about your home too. Our premium silicone door protectors prevent damage to your door frame. No marks, no mess, just a top-notch workout. This pull-up bar is designed to fit nearly all door frames, with a distance between hooks cut down to 21.65 inches. It's suitable for door widths of 21.65 to 36.22 inches and depths of 8.27 inches, and it's strong, holding up to 440 lbs. We've made great efforts to ensure it fits all doorways, but if you ever encounter a special doorway that doesn't quite fit, no worries. We offer a 100 money-back guarantee. Your satisfaction is our priority. Join the countless individuals who have transformed their fitness journeys with the KAKICLAY 2023 Multi-Grip Pull-Up Bar. Elevate your workouts, build strength, and achieve your fitness goals like never before. Don't wait! It's time to invest in your health and wellness. Click the link in the description to order your KAKICLAY 2023 Upgrade Multi-Grip Pull-Up Bar today and experience the future of fitness. KAKICLAY, elevate your fitness.